Sorry, I got nothing for you this one. I'm a one-trick pony, terrible at accents, so I'm just gonna do it as me. Here we go. So 3.1, explore page 5. Let's preview the questions. So for this section, we're going to be looking at these questions. What kind of plants did the Mesopotamians grow? What kind of animals did the Mesopotamians domesticate? And what change happened once the Mesopotamians began to domesticate their animals? So this is agricultural innovations. Mesopotamians used the irrigation system of canals and ditches to control the floods of the Tigris and the Euphrates. Remember, Tigris on top. I keep saying that, but it's important to kind of get a sense of the geography in this area. So they used this to control the floods of the Tigris and the Euphrates and to bring water to their crops. With large irrigation systems, they were able to produce enough crops to feed an entire city and then some. The Mesopotamians grew crops such as wheat, barley, melons, apples, figs, dates, and grapes. Irrigation was an important advance that allowed these crops to thrive. The farmers of Mesopotamia also raised goats, sheep, and other animals. I know some of you, maybe through 4-H show in the fair, have worked with animals like this. The Mesopotamians did something very important that we are benefiting from still today. So the process of taming the animals and raising animals so that they can be used by people is called domestication. Learning how to domesticate animals was part of the change Mesopotamians made when they went from roaming as hunter-gatherers to living as in farming settlements. One of Mesopotamians' agricultural advancements was the cedar plow. So there's a picture of the cedar plow down here. Let's read a little bit more about that. Farmers used this for planting. The plow blade dug a narrow ditch, and as the ditch was dug, seeds were dropped from the center of the plow that fell into the ditch. The Mesopotamians made their plows out of metal. This made them stronger and long-lasting than tools made of wood. Work animals such as cattle would pull the plows through the fields. Last paragraph. The ancient Mesopotamians did not believe that they invented the cedar plow. According to legend, the plow was a gift from the god Enlil. They also believed that an image of the cedar plow could be seen in the stars. Like the rivers that brought life to the fields, the plow had an important place in Mesopotamian culture. So again, here's a picture of the cedar plow. Religion was very important in this polytheistic society, and they believed that this was a gift to them to make their lives easier and to produce livelihood for everybody.